So this lovely, well, not so lovely now, but was lovely old pair of Secateurs I've had for many years. Had a really good spring, as you can see there, but I don't know if there's a fault in the metal or what, but literally on the shoulder of the blade, I don't know again if you can see that properly, it just went, the metal just sheared, and I'm left with 3 bits of a once worthy Secateur. So I'm looking at other options. This is the Gardena Premium Cut Flex Secateur, made in Germany, 24mm cut, stainless steel blade. You've got a lock on the top, ergonomically designed for a good grip. It's a good option. It looks and feels like it's been well made. It's made in Germany, but it just feels sturdy. It's got a decent spring in there. The pivot bolt there looks sturdy. As I said, the grip is very comfortable, and these blades, as I say, stainless steel, look very sturdy indeed. The proof is in the pudding, obviously, so let's put them to use. So let's put them to the test. Do they do what they're supposed to do, and do they do it well? I've got some, I say some, I've got about 40 foot of Leylandii that I'm taking the top off and facing off. So we've got a lot of test material. That was a good sound. Did you hear that? Maybe if I get the mic next to it when I do it. This is quite a quite substantial bow, so let's see how it copes here. That is a good sound. That's a reassuring sound. That's a sound on surface value that it's good engineering, to me anyway. Now, longevity, I don't know, but that sound, the feel, the ease of cut, to me says it's a quality tool. So where can you get the Gardena Secateurs? You can go online. They're available at World of Watering, Screwfix, Amazon. You can also get them in store at most reputable garden nurseries and garden centres, and you'll expect to pay about £29 or thereabouts.